To make railway mutton curry, we need 500 grams of mutton. Transfer this mutton into a pressure cooker and add half teaspoon salt and half teaspoon turmeric powder. And of course, 2 cups of water. Mix. Put on the lid and turn on the heat. Allow the cooker to release 1 whistle on high heat and 3 whistles on low heat. Let the steam cool off by itself. Take some tamarind and add a little water to extract some tamarind water. We'll need 150 ml of coconut milk. Here we are using tinned coconut milk, which is easily available in any local grocery shop. The other ingredients required for the curry are as shown in the video. The railway mutton curry was invented by the chefs of Indian Railways during the British Raj. Served in the first class coaches of Indian Railways, the railway mutton curry is a milder version of the spicy Indian mutton curry, and it took off very well with the Britishers. Make a paste of all the following dry masalas. Grate 2 medium-sized tomatoes. You can also blend it in a mixer or use tomato puree. If you wish, you can use pre-boiled potato before adding it to the gravy. We have tried both ways, but somehow we feel cooking the potato with the masala enriches the gravy. Do try it our way. We are not boiling potato separately, hence cut should not be too large. If the size of the potato is large, cut into 4 pieces. 1 medium-sized onion cut roughly. Heat a wok and add 100 ml of any oil of your choice. We are using mustard oil. Here we have added 1 teaspoon of salt, but forgot to record. You may add salt now or earlier while making the paste of all the dry masalas. Once the onion is fried well, add the ginger garlic paste and fry till the raw smell of both are gone completely. Once the onion ginger garlic paste are fried well, add the grated tomato and mix. Add the paste of the masala and blend well with the fried onions and tomato. We don't want our masala to get burnt, hence we are adding a little water. When oil starts appearing on the sides, add a cup of water. Stir the potato with the gravy and let the gravy come to a boil. After 15 minutes, remove the cover and check if the potatoes are done. Add the boiled meat along with the water and mix. We add the boiled water of the meat as it is full of flavors and the meat fat. This renders a beautiful aroma to the gravy. You can also add normal water instead of the boiled water, but trust us, this enhances the flavor. Please do follow the process we are following. Now comes the turning point of the gravy. The two most important and unique ingredients. First, the tamarind water, and second, the coconut milk. Back then, these two ingredients were introduced by the chefs of Indian Railways to mellow down the traditional spicy mutton curry that would satisfy the taste buds of the Englishmen who were frequent travellers in the first class coach of Indian Railways. Hope you like our way of preparing railway mutton curry. Do give it a try and leave your comments below.